Good day and welcome to Pearble. My name is Jeremiah. I'm the product designer for Pearble Chauffeur Mobile Services, and I'm here to make a presentation of a mobile application. Allow me to introduce you to Pearble mobile application in the next couple of minutes. Thank you. The first screen says Get Started, and then we're visited with a swipe gesture showing our services. We decide to sign up as a new user. Alternatively, we could also log in, but for this scenario, we'll be signing up. In the sign up experience, the next question will be asked is for our nationality and our phone numbers. Once selected, we're taken to the next screen, which is a 4-digit code sent to a mobile number, a phone number, and then it's automatically rendered into the application. After that, we are asked to include our debit card details in the next screen. After imputing that, the next thing that we ask our users is for the car details, the car brand that they use, the model, and the plate number. There's a swipe gesture representing each car model. In this situation, we're selecting a BMW. Now we impute the car model and the plate number. And then we get a confirmation screen where we are asked to either confirm or keep editing the details from our car. We choose to confirm and head on to the next screen, which is the success screen, and then we're taken to our homepage. Welcome to Pearble mobile application. In Pearble mobile application, we could decide to either take a trip or visit the other screens, which includes our wallet, where we could see our Pearble balance, our card details, and choose to select either cash or debit card for our transaction payments. Then we could also see in the other section the ongoing transaction, the ongoing trips, and the history of trips that we've taken in the past. Then we have the more section where we have a profile picture, a settings page, and every other automation setting that is required to have a perfect experience in this mobile application. Let's take Pearble mobile application for a spin. And go on a trip with our chauffeur service. We select a destination, and in the course of typing our destination, we get the quickest suggestion to our location. In this scenario, we select University Street. And then the system shows us that Pearble is searching for chauffeurs around our location. We could decide to select or change the debit card that was included in the first section of the onboarding experience. We could decide to add a new card or select cash as a billing option. For an example, we'll add a new card. Then we'll add the card details, which include the card number, expiry date, and security code. Then we save the card, which creates a new billing option, and then we can select the new card and further our chauffeur service. Now request chauffeur. After that, we click on confirm pickup. This will take a minute. Oh, thank you. Now we see our chauffeur, Marcus, is 6 minutes away from us. We can see details from Marcus. We can see that he's been with Pearble for about 6 years. He's taken 4,000 plus rides and he's had a ton of achievements with Pearble. This is to ensure that our users are in safe hands. We could decide to send a text to Marcus to ask where he's at, if it's closer to us or if it's farther from us. We could decide to also call Marcus. In this situation, we give Marcus a call and it tells us that he is close to our location, and all we have to do is wait for him. Marcus has arrived, our driver is here, and now we could click on start trip. Trip has been confirmed. Now we get a notification that our payment has been deducted from our account. The payment has been deducted from the account that was registered into the system. Now we could also decide to take a screenshot of the transaction of the trip, and share it to our friends, our family, to know our whereabouts. The trip will be saved as PDF or JPEG. Now we've arrived at our destination and we'll move on to rating our rider, leaving a comment, and also we could also decide to add a tip for our rider or our driver based on our preferences. And on adding a tip for our rider or driver, we will be prompted to submit this review, and then we'll take him back to our home screen. In the order section, we can see the trip that just took place. We can see in the history the trips that we've taken in the past and the status on those trips, whether they were completed or they were cancelled. We can also see the wallet. We can see our Pearble balance. We can see our cards, the debit card that we included in the sign up in the previous session of the application. We could decide to switch to using cash as a billing option. And we can also decide to add a new debit card. You have come to the end of this presentation. Welcome to Pearble.